just a demonstration. Hopefully my pendulum isn't camera shy. I've done this a few zillion times, but I'm trying to record it, so I'm going to ask my pendulum some questions about the Ankh. First, I'm going to tell it to show me a yes sign, and I'm going to tell it to show me a no sign. It's already starting to move, but okay. Pendulum, show me no. Stop. Pendulum, show me yes. Okay. So now I'm going to ask it a couple questions. Is this Ankh dedicated to Saket, blessed with the healing power of Saket? Stop. Is this Ankh blessed with all of the Kemetic ancestors? Does this Ankh have the blessing of all of the Kemetic ancestors? Our ancient Kemetic ancestors. All of them. Tahuti, Imhotep, Ptah, Asar, Aset, Haru, Isis, Ma'at, Anubis. Stop. Can anyone or anything take the blessings of healing from the Kemetic ancestors off this Ankh? Can anyone remove the blessing of the Kemetic ancestors off this Ankh? Is this Ankh blessed forever? When I pass it down to my children, will it continue to be blessed? Thank you, ancestors. Thank you, Pendulum. I have no more questions. I rest my case. Shem Hotep.